Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Channel. I'm Emily, and today we have a very important topic for you.
Hi friends, I'm Paul. Let me ask you, how do you feel today? Strong and full of energy, or maybe a little tired?
That's a good question. Sometimes we wake up fresh, sometimes weak, and that's why today's topic matters. Health.
Exactly. Health is life. Without health, even money, travel, or dreams feel heavy. With health, life feels bright.
Imagine this, the sound of morning birds outside your window. You stretch, smile, and feel ready. That's good health.
But imagine another scene. Rain hits the window, your head hurts, you cough, you feel slow and heavy. That's poor health.
So today, we'll learn how to talk about health in English. Simple, everyday phrases you can use in real life.
And remember, mistakes are normal. Don't worry if you say something wrong. Done is better than perfect. Learning is practice.
Yes, and before we dive in, a gentle reminder, if you want more lessons like this, subscribe to Miss English Channel.
And comment below, because when you share your thoughts, you practice English.
Okay, let's set the scene. Imagine you're traveling, maybe in a busy city. Suddenly, you don't feel well.
What do you say? How do you ask for help in English? That's what we'll practice today.
First phrase, I don't feel well. Repeat with me, I don't feel well.
Say it again a little faster. I don't feel well. Good. This phrase is simple, but it can save you.
Paul, when was the last time you used that phrase?
Honestly, last winter. I caught a cold. I told my wife, I don't feel well, and she brought me tea.
See, it's not only for doctors. You can use it with family, friends, even coworkers.
Next phrase, I have a headache. Listen, headache. Head, ache.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I have a headache.
Great. Now, imagine you're in the office, lights are too bright, noise is everywhere. You say, I have a headache.
Vocabulary check. Headache means pain in your head. A synonym is migraine, but migraine is usually stronger.
And here's a fun memory tip. Picture a hammer hitting your head. Ache, ache. That helps you remember headache.
Okay, next phrase. I feel sick. This is useful if your stomach hurts or you feel like vomiting.
Practice out loud. Repeat, I feel sick.
Very good. And Paul, can you share a story about feeling sick?
Sure, once I ate too much street food. Delicious, but risky. I told my friend, I feel sick, and he found a pharmacy.
That's perfect. Students, remember, stories make words stick. Connect new English with your own memories.
Let's pause here for a mini practice. Everyone, repeat these 3 sentences after us.
Number 1, I don't feel well.
Number 2, I have a headache.
Number 3, I feel sick.
Great job. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect, speaking aloud is the key.
And here's a motivational thought. Action comes first, motivation comes after. When you speak, your confidence grows.
That's right. The more you try, the easier it becomes. Like exercise for your brain.
Let's move on. Another useful phrase. I need to see a doctor. Repeat. I need to see a doctor.
Excellent. Imagine you're in another country. You feel very bad, and you need help. This phrase is your lifeline.
Vocabulary tip. Doctor means a medical professional. A synonym is physician, but doctor is easier and more common.
And if you go to a clinic, you might also meet a nurse. Nurse means a medical helper.
Yes, so here's a small dialogue.
Hello, I need to see a doctor.
Sure, please wait in the lobby.
See? Simple but powerful.
Let's add one more phrase. I need some medicine. Repeat after me. I need some medicine.
Medicine means treatment, like pills, tablets, or syrup. Synonym, drug. Example, the doctor gave me medicine for my cough.
Quick question for you, our listeners. What kind of medicine do you usually take when you feel sick?
Share in the comments. Is it tea, honey, pills, or maybe rest? Every culture has different habits.
That's why learning English is more than words. It's also about culture.
Okay, let's practice all 5 key phrases again.
Number 1, I don't feel well.
Number 2, I have a headache.
Number 3, I feel sick.
Number 4, I need to see a doctor.
Number 5, I need some medicine.
Perfect. You are doing great.
And don't forget, your mistakes are not enemies. They are teachers. Every mistake is a step forward.
Exactly. Health is not only about the body, but also about the mind. A calm mind helps the body heal.
Paul, do you know an idiom about health?
Yes! An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It means if you eat healthy food, you may not need medicine.
That's a fun one. Students, can you think of healthy habits in your own life? Write one in the comments.
Maybe it's drinking water, walking after dinner, or sleeping early.
Okay, let's close this page here. We'll continue with more vocabulary, a surprise story, and practice in the next part.
Welcome back, friends. Let's continue our journey of learning to talk about health in English.
Last time, we practiced 5 important phrases. Now, let's go deeper with new words, stories, and small exercises.
Okay, Emily, let's add a very useful phrase. I have a cold. Repeat after me. I have a cold.
Cold means a small sickness with sneezing, coughing, and a runny nose. A synonym is flu, but flu is usually stronger.
Example, I have a cold, so I need to rest. Easy, right?
Now, imagine the sound of sneezing. Achoo! You can almost feel it. Vocabulary becomes real when you connect it to life.
Next phrase, I have a fever. Fever means your body temperature is high. Example, I have a fever, I feel hot and weak.
Let's practice together. Repeat, I have a fever.
Good. One more, I have a sore throat. Throat is the inside of your neck. Sore means painful.
Imagine you try to drink water, but it hurts. That is a sore throat. Repeat, I have a sore throat.
Vocabulary check. Cold, fever, sore throat. These are 3 common health words you will often hear in English.
Paul, have you ever had all 3 at the same time?
Sadly, yes. Last year, it was winter, snow outside, my head was heavy, my throat was sore. I said, I need rest.
See, stories connect us. Now, students, think, when was the last time you were sick? What words could you use?
Write your answer in the comments. Sharing makes you remember.
Let's pause for a mini practice. Everyone, repeat these 3 phrases aloud.
Number 1, I have a cold.
Number 2, I have a fever.
Number 3, I have a sore throat.
Well done. Even if your voice is shy, every repetition builds strength.
And remember, learning is like exercise. 1 push-up today, another tomorrow. Soon, you are strong.
Now, let's expand with health questions. Imagine you meet a friend who looks tired. You can ask, how are you feeling today?
Or, more specific, do you feel okay? These are kind, simple questions. Example conversation. Hi, how are you feeling today? Oh, I don't feel well. I have a headache.
See? 2 phrases in action. Real conversation.
Okay.
Vocabulary time with Charlotte. Let's highlight today's words. Headache means pain in the head. Synonym, migraine. Example, she has a headache after work. Fever means high body temperature. Synonym, high temperature. Example, he stayed home because of a fever. Sore throat means painful throat. Synonym, throat pain. Example, my sore throat makes it hard to speak. Cold means small sickness with cough, sneeze. Synonym, flu, mild. Example, she caught a cold last week. Medicine means treatment. Synonym, drug. Example, the doctor gave him medicine. Doctor means medical professional. Synonym, physician. Example, she works as a doctor. Nurse means medical helper. Synonym, caregiver. Example, the nurse gave me water.
That's a strong list. If you only remember one today, you are still improving.
Now, let's make it fun. Paul, what's one health tip you always follow?
Easy. Drink water. I always carry a bottle. Hydration is life.
My tip is sleep early. Even 1 extra hour changes how I feel in the morning.
Listeners, what about you? Share one health tip in the comments. Maybe walk every day, eat fruit, or breathe deeply.
And here's a cultural note. In English, people often say, get well soon when someone is sick.
Yes, imagine your friend says, I feel sick. You reply, I'm sorry. Get well soon.
It shows care and kindness. Try saying it now. Get well soon.
Beautiful. Language is not only words, but also feelings.
Before we close, let's tell a short story. One of our students, Jesse, traveled to London. Suddenly, he felt sick.
He remembered this lesson. He told a shop worker, excuse me, I need to see a doctor. The worker guided him to a clinic.
The doctor said, you have a cold. Take this medicine, drink water, rest. Jesse smiled. English saved him that day.
That's why we practice. One phrase can change your day.
Let's do a final review. Repeat these sentences after us.
I don't feel well.
I have a headache.
I feel sick.
I need to see a doctor.
I need some medicine.
I have a cold.
I have a fever.
I have a sore throat.
Perfect. You sound amazing.
Remember, learning English is like taking care of your health. Small steps every day lead to big results.
Done is better than perfect. Speak, even with mistakes. Each word makes you stronger.
So keep practicing and never give up. Even one phrase a day is progress.
Thank you for joining us today on Miss English Channel.
Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and comment your favorite phrase from today's lesson.
And remember, your voice matters. Your English is growing. Your health and confidence can grow together.
Take care of your body, your mind, and your English. We believe in you.
Until next time, stay healthy, stay motivated, and keep speaking.
Bye, everyone, and get well soon if you're not feeling your best.
See you in the next lesson.